Hello, everyone, and welcome to another riveting episode of Cooking with Stupid, where, as always, production value sucks, and so do the jokes. I don't know where you live. I don't know where you are. But I'll find you. But in the meantime, Deadly Grounds Coffee, everyone. That's right, Deadly Grounds Coffee. Get yours at getdeadly.com. You will not be disappointed. Trust me, I'm a professional. So today, kids, hello everyone out there in the magical interwebs. Today we're going to be making ourselves a nice, simple, easy recipe. It's like a oniony, crunchy kind of chicken. You're just going to bake it in the oven. And we're going to do a little side of asparagus with it. Or as me and my wife likes to say, spurgus. So crunchy, oniony chicken with spurgus. Let's go give it a whirl, shall we? Alright, so for our coating, go to the supermarket. It's everywhere you can find it. Get yourself the crispy fried onions. You can get the French's brand. You can get the store brand. Get the French's brand. They're the bestest. Dump the whole thing in here. If you want, you can just do it by hand. It's not that hard. Or get yourself one of these bad boys and roll it out. You don't want to pulverize it. You don't want it to be dust. All we are is dust in the wind. But you want to get it so it's small enough. If you're going to be coating your chicken with it, just take your time, back and forth, nice and easy.
I have a better method.
What?
May I?
Sure, honey. What you gonna do?
That's what happens when you don't take the trash out.
So if you didn't get a chance to get the therapy this week, that works too. Alright, so our little binding agent we're going to make for our chicken, and we're going to put some aside for dipping too. Get yourself some honey. Spend the money, don't get it cheap like us. Spend the money getting real stuff. Yellow mustard, mayonnaise, and a little spicy brown mustard. This is the easy part. If it was any easier, it'd be my ex. But what we're going to do is get your mayonnaise. I'm eyeballing this, so don't ask me measurements, kids. 1, 2 forkfuls. We'll go with that. Get a little splooge. That's an official measurement by Cooking with Stupid. Just put a little splooge of the spicy brown mustard. Double spooge of the yellow mustard. Make sure you get that fart sound in there. That's key. And let's go with 1/4 of a spooge of honey. Take Mr. Fork and say hello, all these beautiful, lovely flavors. We blend, we blend, we blend our flavors together. Together, we're gonna find our way.
You're just asking for a copyright.
Yeah, that's why I just do it in little snippets. And there we go, kids. Couple little splooges. And voila. And make sure your wife doesn't run off with the honey and just sit there and chug it behind the camera. You think I'm kidding? I'm not. She's got fucking problems. I don't want to say she's got issues. She's got the whole fucking subscription. Alright, I said we're going to be serving this with a side of asparagus. So, here's asparagus. The easiest way to make this happen, when it starts to bend it, you're going to get that snap. That's the part you want to keep.
You can eat the bottom part, but it's gonna be tougher and more fiberier and harder to chew, so that's more of a preference thing. But like the tip is where the flavor is.
Just a tip.
So anyway, on an unrelated note, I don't know if you guys saw Sean's updates, but I may have had a kaboom with the car tire this week.
Yeah.
Thankfully, he came to the rescue, but I should have had asparagus.
My wife, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we rinsed off and washed our asparagus. So just dump her in a bowl there. And we're gonna do some olive oil. You don't have to go nuts. Go nuts, kids. You know what? The world's ending. Go nuts. Give a good coating on all your asparagus. And we're simply gonna just season this. A little fresh cracked pepper, a little bit of McCormick's garlic powder, and McCormick's Grill Mates garden vegetable seasoning. Trust me on this one. So, first thing first, you're gonna want to make sure you take the top off. Cause, you know.
Yeah, we bought a new one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. So we're gonna sprinkle some of that in there. Come on, don't be shy. And a little garlic powder. And the fresh cracked pepper. Da, let it snow the black sheet. And then just shake it up in the bowl. Get a nice good coverage going there. Blah blah, blah blah, blah blah.
I should have had you spare them the details. Get it? Because they're asparagus spears.
The puns.
That's just the tip of the iceberg, too. I know you loathe me with every fiber of your being. So I just kind of missed it, but apparently somebody was really excited at the idea of us going into the cabinet to get a plate.
It's a bowl. There's nothing in it. And there's gonna be nothing in it you can eat.
Talk about this injustice. Tell everybody. Yep, keep going. We're horrible humans who mistreat you.
What the hell is that face? Okay, now it's time for the chicken. We got ourselves some bok bok right here. These are just plain old simple Purdue chicken tenderloins. Nothing too fancy. Now, if you're my wife, you don't like that part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to get rid of that. In one easy step.
So here's the thing. It's not like the fat or the skin that bothers me. It's the vein. It's the chewy, cartilagey, nasty red vein that I don't like. If I bite into it, I can't finish eating. My appetite's gone immediately.
Yeah.
So he's a real hero. And he does the hard work for me.
Look at that shit. So just get a plate, get a fork. Yeah.
Fork your titties.
Yeah. Put that in there. Get that little tendon.
Oh.
All right.
Oh.
And, well, you know what? Usually that's a lot easier. What the hell?
Oh.
Come on out. Why don't you want to come out? Come on. My Uncle Bob came out so much easier than this is. Come on. Oh my God. You know what? My fingers are really slippery. You get the idea though, kids. Just grip it and rip
Do
it.
they though?
Yeah. Whatever. Go on somebody else's YouTube channel. They'll show you how to do it.
I don't know. We're gonna sit here and watch you struggle.
That ain't even right, man. Come on. I saw Jamie Oliver do it. What the fuck? Demon be gone! There's gonna be shredded chicken by the time I'm done with it.
Would you like me to try?
No.
Okay.
Get over there. What the? You know what? I give up. I gotta go wash my hands so I can switch over to camera duty, because my wife's gonna do it. Pause for effect.
I mean, not for nothing. You got a chicken. You got a knife. A knife cuts chicken.
Fine. I'll do it that way then.
Just saying.
I thought it'd be cool and do it like how a real actual chef does it. Alright, we got our chicken as good as we're gonna get it for my wife's tasting pleasures. So just throw it all in a bowl. Probably get a bigger bowl, but you know me. I like being difficult. We're just gonna forget that one happened.
Oh, you can try it.
And then our little sauce that we made, get it all in there.
We'll be making more.
Trust me.
Oh, I love having your skin in there too.
Sounds like a drunken weekend when we first met.
Oh.
I'm touching myself tonight.
Okay, you took that a step too far. You
All
took
right.
that too far.
We're gonna get our chicken, just like shake and bake, kids. Throw it in the bag. Shakes. Shakes. You can go one at a time, or just go big or go home. Yeah. Loop. Loop. We're gonna seal that up. Take a little of the air out.
Shake it, shake it. Shake,
Yeah.
shake what your mama gave you.
All right. We're well coated here. Kinda.
Yeah, I see some wet spots.
Giggity. So just flap it around in there. Get it all in. Get it all in. And parchment paper, baking sheet. We preheated our oven to 425. Rah. That's a Frankenstein piece I'll eat. Little itty bitty nugget.
There's another piece you left behind.
It's fine.
And that little nugget in there.
Alright, so we got a little left over in the bag. Just sprinkle it right on top.
Dude.
Save room. We're gonna throw the asparagus on here next. Ah. Ugh.
He missed a spot. Excuse me, sir. Your breasts are exposed.
Always remember, kids, when you're handling raw meat, wash your hands a lot. Often. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Middle rack, 425. Put your chicken tendies right in there. and let them cook. Yeah, I'm setting a timer. Okay, so we partially baked our chicken at 425 for 5 minutes. Take her out of the oven. Use caution. Slide some of that over. And we're gonna put our asparagus right on the other side. Screw it.
I don't know, yeah.
I'm trying to be nice and neat about it.
As long as they're in one layer, you're fine.
Yep. Nice even layer.
They're not even at all.
Close enough.
Not with asparagus. I'm triggered.
It's fine. Get in there. Okay. And move your rack up. Don't. Not all the way to the tippy top. Second level up. And we're going to return this to the oven. We're going to go like another 12 to 15 minutes. The last couple of minutes on the chicken, you're going to sprinkle on some cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack, whatever you want to do. Sky's the limit, kids. Okay, dinner's ready. Wow. Oh, baby, just look at that. Would you just look at that? Alright, got our dipping sauce. Got our plate, our second finest china. Gonna get our other grabby things. Remember, kids, it's the law. 4 times, make sure they work. L1. L2. L3. Scoop. Scoop up some of our asparagus. Let it get off. There we go. Now, yeah, just take that all in. Now, you can eat it straight up, you can dip it, whatever you want to do here. I love asparagus, so I'm just gonna work one of those right down my mouth hole. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna cut into that. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked. Beautiful, crispy. Just a little dip. Just a little dab will do you there. Oh, baby. Oh, that's just heavenly. Even the dog growled to agree. You're still not getting any. Well, kids, that's today's recipe. We will see you guys next Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We usually post these things. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you had a giggle. The dog's yawning, so she seemed to be bored with what we did. And she's agreeing with me. So, guys, thanks for tuning in. We love you all. Don't forget, eat, drink, and be healthy, everyone. Love you, bye.
Hey, thanks for sticking around for tonight's episode of Cooking with Stupid. Stay tuned next week for another recipe that's sure to tantalize your taste buds or cripple your colon. Click the video on the left if you want to see what YouTube has in store for you next, or click the button on the right to subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit the notification bell to receive reminders whenever we have a new post. Until next time, love you, bye.
fine.
Maybe we should have picked chicken that didn't have a tendon that ran all the way through. Oh god, it looks so... It's like a tongue. Ah!